Good morning, friends. We're in Ridgway State Park in Colorado, kind of north of Ouray.
Yeah, it went from Durango to Silverton to Ouray to Ridgway State Park.
Ridgway State Park. Anyway, we're headed out for a bike ride, doing a little exploratory research here. And then we'll come back and we'll make breakfast for lunch. How's that sound?
Deal.
All right, come with us. That water is so low, but it's not stopping people, is it? Okay, we got Cookie Tree Trail, a mile. Oh, 25% maximum grade. I like that.
Fill me up for that.
I'll do my best. Oh boy. Whoop! I don't like that. I'm not riding that. I've been walking the entire way. This is above my skill level with the cliff on the side. I don't like that at all. Half mile. Huh. 16% grade. Give it a shot. We made it up. There's no air up here. My muscles need oxygen. That was tough, but we did it. And now we get to go down. We made it back. I got some hash browns doing their thing here, but I want to show you this really quick. This is the delicious part. We got English muffins in the convection oven, just waiting. Dave cooked some bacon outside. Now, the funny thing is, the past probably, what do you think, 4 times you've tried to cook outside? There's zero wind, and then all of a sudden he gets the stove going. Wind, like 100 miles an hour. Okay, not 100, but still a lot of wind, right? So we had to move the cooking party inside. So I'm finishing up everything inside, about ready to drop the eggs, and then we'll have our breakfast for lunch. That was a fun ride. I had to get off and walk a lot of the way down that first trail.
That was pretty sketchy.
That was so sketchy. I know my skill level, and that's not it.
You have the skills. It's just
With the cliff on one side, no.
Kind of spooky.
It was spooky.
Yeah.
One thing, it's not like the trees were very close, but one thing I keep telling myself that I read, and it actually really helps, is, and it was talking about skiers. How do they ski through the trees and not hit the trees all the time?
Don't look at the tree.
They don't say, don't hit the tree, don't hit the tree, don't hit the tree. They say, follow the path, follow the path. So I try to look ahead and follow the path. That's a good analogy for life, too.
Yeah, when
Don't look at the obstacles, follow the path.
Whoa, she's getting deep on me.
No, I heard that somewhere. I can't take credit for that, but
yeah,
that
whether
applies.
it's a bicycle or a motorcycle, you're watching where you want to go. If you
Yeah.
look where you don't want to go, that's exactly where you're going to go.
Yeah, no, that happens every time. I always
I'm starving.
forget at the beginning of the ride, and then by the end of it, I remember that. And my legs were on fire, though. We don't have a lot of oxygen up here. What's the elevation?
Just 7,000, a little more.
Oh my gosh, I felt it. I felt every bit of that, but I felt strong. I just
You are strong. You're
just
strong like a bull.
I needed more air.
Yeah.
I think this afternoon I'm gonna work on a video or two, and then I have footage piling up, so I gotta sort that out. See, it's windy. And then oh yeah, we ran out of water right in the middle of making this meal.
This campground has electrical hookup. Well, this camp spot has electrical hookup, but not water or sewer. There's a shared spigot that's too
across
far,
the street.
Too far. So we have to eat, unplug, go fill our water tank, and come back.
Yeah.
It happens.
Yeah, whatever. We can make it work. No big deal. And so we're gonna do that. Tomorrow we're heading into, where are we going?
Towards Grand Junction.
Grand Junction, that's right. We might stop by REI because we have a towel in the bathroom and we need a second one. That's where we got them. We really like them. It's like a dry, not microfiber. It's a little bit different.
I don't like microfiber, and cotton towels are not good. They don't dry very fast.
Yeah.
We'll get another. We'll show you what it is because we bought one to try, and it's of all the towels we've ever had.
What's up with microfiber? Am I the only one? I know you think so too, but you try and dry something, and we don't use dryer sheets. We don't use fabric softener. None of that. It just smears the water around. It doesn't absorb the water.
It has to get wet first, like a chamois.
Maybe, but I mean, we've washed these a lot of times.
No, each time.
Oh, the towel has to be
Hey.
damp in order to take on more moisture. I don't like microfiber.
Well, what we do have, I do like. So
Yeah, we'll get another one of those. We've been needing a second one. Unrelated, but have you tried this ketchup? This ketchup is so good. We're not paid by this ketchup company. But the spicy in particular is really, really good. There's no sugar in this. A lot of ketchups have a lot of sugar, so I don't like that. But the spicy primal ketchup is very, very good. Anyway, yeah, we're going into Grand Junction, and then moving on from there, we're actually heading into Utah to visit a friend.
Mm-hmm.
And then, yeah, we're just going to wander around, so.
Then probably Wyoming and
Uh-huh.
Montana.
Yep.
Just, we got a lot of time to take our time.
Yeah.
I like that.
We've got a lot of time to take our time.
Ooh, write that down.
Write that down.
We got a lot of time
To take
our time. T-shirt.
We do have some ideas marinating for some summer plans, so a lot will depend on our battery system, that kind of thing. So we're just taking one step at a time, but we'll have some updates very soon about both those things. Stay tuned for that. Carry on.
Carry on. Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.